welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jaspreet Kaur and I'm a holistic nutritionist. And as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own skin exfoliator. Winter is well and truly on its way, and if you are in London, winter is here. Because winter never left. In general, all year round, I have a pretty solid skincare routine that serves my skin type really well. It's super simple. All I use on my body is a mixture of coconut oil and shea butter. And I already did a video on that, and you can click the eye right here to check that one out. But when it comes to winter, for some reason, my legs, like the lower part of my leg, just gets dry. It just gets extremely dry in the cold winter months. And I first started to notice this around 3 years ago when I stopped removing hair from my body, when I stopped waxing and shaving my legs and stuff like that. My lower legs just started to get really, really dry. I tried so many different products and none of them worked long term. To be honest, most of them just irritated my skin. But eventually I found a solution that is nourishing and works really, really great for my dry skin using Epsom salts. Now, you may have already come across Epsom salt before. A lot of people use them in baths, but I never have because I hate baths. But what I have used them for in the past is foot soak. So literally filling up some kind of bucket with hot water, putting some Epsom salt and essential oil in there, and just dipping your feet in and soaking them for a while. It is so, so relaxing. And because of the really high magnesium content in the Epsom salt, it is so great at dragging any toxins out from your body, and also at reducing pain, stiffness, and swelling. So I definitely recommend that. 1 cup of Epsom salt, 2 cups of coconut oil, and 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. I'm gonna be using lavender, predictable. Start by putting your Epsom salt into a large, deep bowl. Then add in your coconut oil and mix it until everything is combined. Next, add in 20 drops of your essential oil and mix again. Decant the mixture into a glass jar and the exfoliator is ready to use. I find that this exfoliator works best after having a shower when your skin is still a little bit wet. So using your fingertips and your palms, get as much of the mixture as you need and rub it in circular motions over the dry area of skin. A little really does go a long way, and I would not recommend using this on sensitive areas of skin, especially not on the face, as it is quite rough. Wash the exfoliator off, pat the skin dry using a towel, and that is it. You should be left with some silky, soft skin. Thank you all so much for watching that video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that it's actually useful. If you know anyone that struggles with dry skin in the winter months, be sure to share this video with them. If you decide to recreate it, share your creations with me on Instagram at GuardHealth. I love seeing your recreations. They're always super cool. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.